Welcome back to the channel 1 to Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to export scenes from OBS Studio. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, I have already installed the application. In case you don't know how to, well, worry not. We have created a tutorial regarding that as well. Now let's simply look at how to export a scene. Well, this right here is a random scene that I had created. Now let's simply look at how to export it. At the top right, on the navbar, you will see a button like this that says Scene Collection. Click on it right now. From here, what you guys have to do is simply focus on the export button right here, just below import. Click on it. Now it's gonna ask you where you want to save the file. Right now, documents is okay with me, so I'm simply gonna hit on save. And guys, that is it. The scene has been exported. I'm gonna show you guys the file right now. And guys, this is it. This is the scene that we had just exported. That is it, guys. That's how we export scenes from OBS. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.